guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making Water Yam Akara. Well, I don't actually have a specific name for it, so I'll just go in by grinding. So this is, I don't know if there is any easy way one can use to get to achieve this blended water yam. There might be, technology has taken charge of the whole world. So, but we are still using the manual machine, the manual blender. So I'm using it to blend. Using it to blend. So I'm still doing the blending. Okay, so well, it will be better if they have a machine for this way. I actually like eating this akara made with water yam, but the discouraging part of it is just this thing I'm doing now. The blending process is, you need a lot of energy to achieve it. And guess what? I have a visitor in my house, so she also said she's interested in eating the water yam akara. So I decided to do it. So I'm just doing it. Alright, come. So this is my guest. She said she was going to eat akara made with water yam. But
hi people.
She's not even helping me. She's not helping me.
Give me work now. You not give me work.
This is how far I have gone. I've already gone far. At this point, I'm almost done. This is one of the ingredients I'm using at this point. So I'm using 2 cubes for this quantity. I just look at it.